In this guide, I'll show you multiple ways to delete emails in bulk in Gmail so you can quickly clean up your inbox and free up space. First, go to Gmail and make sure you are logged into your account. To delete emails in bulk, click on the Select checkbox at the top left corner, and then click Select All to choose multiple emails at once. Now, simply click on the Delete icon, and all selected emails will be removed instantly. If you want to delete emails from a specific sender, hover over any email from that sender and copy the email address. Then, paste that email address into the search bar and press Enter. Gmail will now show all emails from that sender. Click Select All, and then click the Delete icon to remove all emails from that sender in one go. Another powerful method is using filters. Click on the filter icon in the search bar. Now, type in any keyword, email address, or subject that you want to target. You can also set filters like date range, for example, within 1 day, 1 month, or 1 year to narrow down the results. Click Search, and Gmail will display all matching emails. Now, select all those emails and click Delete. This method is very useful when you want to clean emails based on time, promotions, or specific keywords. And that's it. Now you know how to delete emails in bulk in Gmail using multiple methods for faster cleanup.